What's up today, guys? We're going to be installing a brushless system on this brand new Losi Mini T. Just pulled this thing out of the box and it looks like the rear shocks are leaking. But oh well, we'll fix that later. Not gonna let that stop us from going fast. So I went with this Dynamite brushless 2-in-1, which is nice because your speed control is included in the case with the engine. Because when you do a brushless change on these Mini Ts, you have to change out your receiver, because this is a 2-in-1 receiver and speed control here. So you gotta mount your own receiver. I got this old futaba one I'm gonna put on here with the remote, and otherwise you gotta mount this and a speed control somewhere, which is doable, but I figure I'd try out this Dynamite system, 6000 kV, see how it works. I got 2 other of these, so they might all be getting different brushless systems in the future, just see how they all work. So let's get started on this. Okay, so you want to take this motor side plate cover off. These are 1.5mm hex. Pretty sure this is probably all we're going to use today, is this 1.5mm. And we'll turn it until we get to the pinion set screw there. Just need to take it loose enough to where it'll slide off. Put that to the side. We have these 2 motor mount screws. With the washers. Now your motor should slide right out. Let's start getting these old electronics off of here. This slides up. Then we will unplug it. From under here. From the servo. Just peel off the old RX ESC combo. Kind of gently peel it up. Pull the antenna out. There you go, there's the whole combo there. Not gonna need this anymore. This tape's still sticky, so we might reuse that. Maybe we'll mount it this way. Should probably slide the antenna through first. last one, so it might have to go on there sideways like so, which is fine. Slide the motor in here. I'll trim off this extra antenna later. Get our motor mount bolts ready, or screws. Just loosely put them in right now, so we can move this around as needed. Get our pinion meshed good. This one down here. Put the pinion on, that way we can see where it meshes the best at. Okay, that took me way longer than I wanted to. Unfortunately on mine, in combination to orientate it to get the good pinion mesh, the wires are sticking up, but whatever. Sounds good. It's not loud or anything. Yeah, so I'm gonna loosen the pinion a little bit. Move it in slightly. And tighten it down. Put some Loctite on there if you wanted to. Snug these up. Nothing crazy. And then I'm going to orientate all these wires, and we'll be back. I'm not going to bore you with that.